today. So today's video is going to be a mixture of random beauty products that I have found in the last month that I have fallen in love with and I literally can't be without now. So let's dive straight into the video and find out what I'm absolutely loving this month. So the first two things are they're both to do with hands, so I thought I'd do them at the same time. Now, if you watched my last video, you would have seen the Body Shop haul that I did with all the things that I love at Body Shop at the moment, and the hand cream is definitely the #1 winner of that whole haul. It is amazing. It's got this Day of the Dead sort of vibe going to it. I've literally used one already. I have ordered another one because I'm obsessed with it, and it's got this just vanilla-y autumn smell. All I can say to you is that if you've not gone and tried this yet, or gone in at least and smelled it, then you need to, because this is now, I hope they bring it back every year, because I'm going to be like lost without it if they don't, because I absolutely love it. And then the second thing that's also to do with hands is, in America, they have a shop called Bath & Body Works, and if you've ever been, you'll know that one of the most famous things that they do are their hand sanitizers. Now, over here, you can't really get a hold of them, so I went on eBay, and I like looking at the new scents, and one of the new scents that they've got, pumpkin spice. I don't know if my camera is going to pick it up. So this is literally, it smells of apple. It's not called pumpkin spice, it's called pumpkin apple. That would why it smells of apple. It smells of apple, it smells of cinnamon. It literally just embodies the Christmassy, autumny vibe. I actually got this off eBay for £3, which isn't that bad, to say that obviously they brought it back from America, but I'm obsessed with these scents and they last on your hands so long. So I got this one and paired with the hand cream. Oh my god, it's literally autumn and Christmas rolled into one. So if you want that little bit of Christmassy, Halloweeny sort of smell, get these two because they smell amazing. So the next two products are from I Love Revolution, or like Makeup Revolution's, like, I don't know whether you call it a sister brand or like a separate brand of its own. I know they're owned by the same company, but the first thing is their setting spray. Now, I have already used the strawberries and cream one, and I was intrigued to see what other smells they did, and I went for peaches and cream, and this setting spray, oh, it just smells so good. Like, the strawberry one smells amazing, and it genuinely makes my makeup stay. So I'm an all-nighter girl. Anyone that watches my videos knows I'm an all-nighter girl by Urban Decay. It is my favourite setting spray. But this is so good. These retail at £6. They do Tutti Frutti, they do cookies and cream, they do vanilla, they do peaches and cream. Honestly, if you're looking for a cheaper setting spray, but you want a really nice smell with it, because I've tried the MAC Watermelon one over the summer, and I kind of fell in love with having a really nice smell to my setting spray. Have a look at these ones, because these are so good, and they're such a good price. £6 for a setting spray, it's nothing. So this is a brand new product. So when I went up to pick the setting spray up, and I found this. So this is a primer. It's called Banana Split, and it's a radiance primer with vitamin C and E, and I would liken this to the Charlotte Tilbury primer. So I'm just going to show you. The lid is so messy already, but it's got, I'll just pop a tiny bit on my hand so you can see. So it's like an iridescent sort of gold, and then when you rub it in, it just gives you this a luminous finish, and it is so good, and it smells of bananas. It actually smells of bananas. So I didn't even think about this when I picked it up. I was like, oh, banana split, and I opened it up and had a little look, and I was like, oh right, fair enough. Then when I put it on my face, it genuinely smells of bananas. So again, if you like something with a little bit of scent in, I know some people are against strong scents in their products, but I love them. I think they put you in the mood for stuff. I wish they'd have brought this out in the summer, because I feel like this is quite a summery scent. So I'm interested to see some of the others because they had quite a few in this particular range. All the primers did different things. But this one is an illuminating one. I like a little bit of a glowy look in autumn. But yeah, it is brilliant. Like I said, I'd liken it to the Charlotte Tilbury one, and it does make your foundation last quite a long time. It's nice and tacky when you put it on, so it does feel like your foundation is clinging to the right places. So, as you might be able to guess, I'm slightly obsessed with Halloween and autumn and them sort of Christmassy smell and Christmassy feels. Now, I know I said previously, I like looking on eBay at American brands and the stuff that they have that we don't, because one, I find it fascinating, and two, they have unreal things. So in my last video, I was saying how dry my lips have been, and I've really been trying to keep on top of that and make sure I'm constantly popping lip balm on or a conditioner. I found a chapstick that is from America. I ordered it from eBay. Oh my god, it is pumpkin pie chapstick. Pumpkin pie. And it smells like a pumpkin spice latte from Starbucks. And I've just hit myself with the nose. I tried to cover that up, but that totally did not work. Oh, it just smells like a pumpkin spice latte, and when it is the season of the pumpkin spice, anything I can get my hands on that's pumpkin spice flavour, I will get. So I ordered one of these, and I loved it that much that I ordered another, because it's amazing, and it's chapstick. Like, they're known for doing good for your lips, but this flavour, oh my god, out of this world. So if you can, go and get one. I got mine from eBay at £3, which isn't too bad for a lip product. So yeah, go and get one because they are unreal. So the next thing I finally got to get my hands on a Jeffree Star lip gloss. So I've been after this shade since it first came out. This is called Legends Only, and it's just a lovely nude colour. It's got a tiny bit of shimmer in there. I'm wearing it at the moment with a Charlotte Tilbury lip liner, but I really like it. So this actually was in the sale, and I didn't particularly time it like that. I just saw that they had the colour that I actually wanted in stock on Beauty Bay and went for it. So I got this for £10, which is really cheap, and the doe looks like this. So I'm sure you've seen lots of reviews on the Jeffree Star lip glosses, and it just goes on. And the colour is gorgeous. So any nude lip colour that you've got that you wanted to pop this on top of, it's gonna look absolutely fine with, and it's just not sticky at all. Foundations. So foundations have been the bane of my life the last few months. So every single one that I've tried or bought has been an absolute failure. And I got to the point where I was so fed up and I was just using the same one every day, and it was okay, it was doing alright, but it didn't perform the way that I wanted it to. I don't know whether it's my skin at the moment with the season changing, but if you wear glasses, you'll appreciate this. So I wear glasses every single day, and boy do they take your foundation off, like ridiculously so. So that was making matters even worse. However, my sister had tried this foundation. I know Jeffree Star's reviewed it. I know quite a lot of YouTubers have reviewed it, and it had mixed reviews. But I thought, do you know what? I'm just going to give it a go because I need to try something. And now I like a full coverage foundation. I like to look glowy, but I want that full coverage. I don't want my redness coming through. I don't want my bags coming through under my eyes. I want to look fresh. So I tried the Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation. So the only problem is shade matching online is so hard, because without seeing the foundation, you run the risk of getting the shade that's not right. I went for creamy neutral. I'm wearing it at the moment, and as you can see, it's just giving me like a dewy finish. It's a full coverage. my skin looks healthy, it doesn't come off, it doesn't clump, it doesn't crease. I think this foundation is amazing. Now, I actually got this at the same time as the Jeffree Star lip gloss, sorry, and this was on sale. Only certain colours were on sale though, and it just so happened that the colour that I picked was on sale, and I got it for £10, which I think they're only £15 usually, which is not particularly that bad, but I'll show you on my hand the kind of coverage that it gives. I'm not going to pop a lot on, but like if you can see, it's a full coverage, but then it gives like a really nice dewy finish. So it's not completely matte, so if you are into your matte foundations, this is not for you unless you are going to bake the hell out of your face. You ain't going to get a nice matte finish from this. But for me, I've got an oily T-zone, so I need something full coverage that's going to stay, and this foundation, it does the job. So if you are quite good at matching your skin tone online, I'd 100% just get one. I got mine from Beauty Bay. I tend to get a lot of my foundation, a lot of makeup from Beauty Bay, and that was 100% a winner. I think this is going to be my staple foundation for quite a while now, to be fair, until Jeffree Star brings one out, and then I'm sure I'll be using that 24/7. So guys, I know this was like a little bit of a weird mix and a match. Mix match? Anyway, this was a weird video because it was a little bits of everything in it, but I thought I'd share with you. I thought I'd do one of these every couple of months with new things that I found that aren't gonna break the bank, or little tips and things that I found that I feel like I need to share with people because people don't talk about them very much. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If there's anything you want me to review or talk about, or any makeup looks you want, pop a little comment down below and I'll be more than happy to oblige. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching and love you. Bye!